is a palm tree. No, that's not a palm tree. That's a coconut tree. Shit. I hope he doesn't see this.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to VC. My name is Vincent.
And I'm Chloe. So we're here at Rasaria. It's a resort and there's a beach and we're going for a dip, hopefully, if it's not too hot.
Yeah, because we had a secret planning and it's gonna take away our sea in KOTA KINABAlu. So
Take away our seat.
no more sea for us. Gonna be a while. And yeah, we actually came here before.
The beach is a very, very big piece of land, of sand.
That's a beach.
Yeah, that's a beach.
If you didn't know what a beach is,
The definition. That's the swimming pool. Look, they have a fountain here. How pretty, how fancy. Do you see this? This is where there's actually horse. So when there's horse, they'll be here horse riding. And then there's a place for you to rest. So you can see how pretty this is. So pretty. And there's a lot of like gazebo or pavilion, whatever you call that. Hi! Oh, hi! Oh.
There's a beach. What a beach.
Yeah?
Oh, hi beach.
It's a palm tree. No, that's not a palm tree. That's a coconut tree. Shit. I hope he doesn't see this. But anyways, look! Pretty! Oh my god, that was a mosquito. Oops. Say hi.
Hi.
Hello. And then I'll bring you over. I took off my shoes because it was too soft to walk with slippers on. So yeah. Ta-da! Such a blue sky. You know what it seems like? This seems like a painting or like those stock photos you found on Pinterest or something. And wow! He's coming. He's coming. What is that walk? It's so cold, right? And then the water is so clear.
Yeah.
So pretty.
Look at that, we are filming.
We are filming. Yup, you can definitely see that. It's having a towel on its head.
Yeah, this is home, man. This is home. Having a sea ride. I think 5 minutes from my house. I think 5 to 10 minutes from my house to a beach.
Yeah,
It's like a basic,
but not this.
but
beach.
this one is like 45 minutes from mine. To 1 hour, I think. If we
It's 1 hour
traffic
from
jam.
his and 30 minutes from mine.
It's not too far, but for this view, for this beach, it's crazy, bro. It's crazy. And then the depth of the beach, and then look at the clear water, big wave, no human being.
Woo.
Yeah, I can just be as awkward as I can and put it on the internet. Yep, so are you ready to jump into the water?
Yep.
Let's get prepped.
are burning because the essence. What's that called? The stick? Is it called? Joystick.
I think it's called joystick.
Joystick, right? Whatever the essence or the joystick it is, like it burns the eyes when it gets to your eyes. Yeah, logically, that's how it burns your eyes. But yeah, but there was a lot.
Yep, this is actually a temple in near Likas, I guess. And this is actually over a century kind of temple. So basically, you have quite a lot of place for you to put this on. I haven't put it on yet. Today is the first day of the tiger year. Yep, so now I'm going to...
His turn to
It's
do
my turn,
this.
so there are quite a bit. Yeah, so yeah, let's go. Let's put this on. This is the first one. This is Tai Sui. So basically, if you're born in a tiger year and you are a tiger, which you would run Tai Sui lah. So there will be some things not bad, but it's just like something's conflicting in your life. So you have to go and get blessing and try to serve, so you can break through this kind of tide, conflicts, some sort of things. Yeah. This is Wen Chang. So this is the god that bless you on studies, academically good. That kind of god. And it's burning my eyes. So this is Tu Ti. So basically Tu Ti is called land, the land god basically, that keeps this surrounding kind of god. So there are plenty of god actually. So we just sekaligus serve everybody. This will be the last one. So this is Guan Yin. So we have kind of done putting on joystick, and now we're gonna get what do you call that? Like 抽签. Yep, so we already picked the stick that we chosen for. And yep, I got the middle one. And this one got the good one. Yep, so this year will be another intermediate level of game, I guess.
Yeah, but whatever you do, it depends on you.
Yeah, no matter what, your fate still depending on your own effort, I would say. But this is just what's predicted, I don't know, but in the end, still depending on how much effort you put it in, what kind of things that you do, and how much you're really paying attention to and actually go for it. That's my brother, by the way. Today's session is more or less something like this. Just put it on joystick. How do you like this white lens? It's actually a new lens that I bought for my camera. It's a very, very wide lens, so you can go like this. How do you like it? It's very wide. We're gonna go back home and packed up our luggage for our secret journey soon. You will know that in the next vlog. Every year, give some blessings in temples. This is the tradition, this is the culture. Goodbye, KK.
Hello. I'm a bit nervous.
Where are we going?
We're going...
Who's that?
Hello, we just arrived. Where are we?
Are you excited?
Can you stop asking me that question? I will hit you. So are you excited?